A taxi man that bedroom. Taxi man in our deal with so taxi man. Taxi man in our deal with so bedroom. Taxi man. Watch out. A taxi man that bedroom. Taxi man in our deal with so taxi man. Taxi man in our deal with so bedroom. Taxi man. Watch out.
So this video have been going around on social media of this police officer pulling a gun on a Jamaican resident. And all this man was doing was recording the altercation that the policeman had with a taxi driver and how they had him on the floor and was doing him basically. And quite honestly, this happens way too often in Jamaica. Way too often. And these police officers need to start being accountable for their actions. And I don't know what Indocom is doing, because none of this stuff is changing or has ever changed since I've known Jamaica or since I've been alive. The same stuff that has been happening since 19 how long are the same thing that happened in 2017. The first rule to having a gun is never pull a gun on someone unless you're threatened or you're going to use it. That's rule number 1. And especially when you're law enforcement and you're supposed to be properly trained to protect and serve, you don't pull a gun on a citizen. Whether if they're cussing you or telling you bad words or any of that. Look at the lady that they killed in St. Thomas. The pregnant, 8 months pregnant woman that they killed because she was cussing bad word. He went scotch free. Okay? This man almost lost his life because he's trying to record an altercation between a cops and a regular citizen. This happens way too often, and I feel like Jamaica is turning into the United States of America. And it's disheartening and disturbing, but to say the least, I can't say I'm surprised. I can't say I'm shocked. And when a lot of these police officers come up missing and come up with them heads splat out on ground on the sidewalk, it's because of stuff like this. These are bossy police officers will take up authority in their own hands and act like they can deal with civilians or deal with residents any type of way. And I'm not surprised. I'm not shocked. I'm sure nothing won't come out of this, because nothing ever comes out of any of it at all. We just keep talking about the same thing over and over every year, and nothing's changed. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do you think this guy is going to lose his job? Do you think he's going to be punished? Nah. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.